Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Pepe. Wanted to do a quick video here. I mean, overall, I think Pepe has been relatively lackluster. All right, we haven't had that much movement, and that's also kind of in line with the market structure, all right? Because if you zoom out, so we're getting right into the analysis. I hope you don't mind. If you zoom out, this is a very strong resistance level we have to break above right here between 13,500 and 12,800. You need momentum to break out above that, all right? And I would say, like, if you look at the markets and if you look at Bitcoin, the momentum actually was there last week, and I actually did think that Pepe had a good chance to break above that level. Did not do that. I do think that's a sign of what Pepe is right now, right? I do think if you look at the 4-hour time frame, that we are consolidating, all right? There's a bit of an uptrend right here. Obviously, we had a lot of momentum on Monday. We got a significant breakout right here, so I am bullish on Pepe. But at this point of time, like, ultimately what we want to see, for me personally, there's two things. Either a drop into 11,000, but that's also, like, if we drop down that far, we do need to get a very strong reaction. But that's a level where I would be very interested to buy, all right? So I also have a price alert there to potentially buy there. Or if we break out, all right? And at this point of time, like that pullback is a possibility, all right? And like I said, and but now I'm telling you, I will probably buy if we get to 11,000 spot, all right? So that's one of my plans. But ultimately, what we really want to see, and what's most important for probably most of you if you're watching this video, is some sort of a breakout above 13,000 and 13,500. Like, that's what we want to see. And I think the markets are bullish, and I think Bitcoin is still going to be bullish. But I also think it's most likely that Bitcoin is going to pull back first. And if you look at Pepe right here, we lost so much momentum since yesterday evening that I don't really see that breakout happening soon. All right, now obviously, like, it's Sunday, it's Monday, tomorrow, so you have a lot of volatility and you have a lot of new capital flowing into the markets. And I do think, assuming that the markets will stay bullish, I think eventually we'll do something like this. All right, I do expect that. But for now, I don't see this as a possibility. For this, you would need momentum, or you need a very bullish Bitcoin. I think it's unlikely that Bitcoin will continue parabolically here. And I also think it's unlikely that Pepe is gaining enough momentum to break out here. So based on that, I would say it's more likely on the short term that we will stay consolidated down here, and then eventually, hopefully, we'll get that pullback into 11,000, and then eventually we'll move up towards 13,000 and 13,500. We'll have enough momentum, and then we'll break out. But it's waiting for that, all right? And at this point of time, like honestly, I would just, if you really want to trade Pepe, I would say wait, right? I would say wait for either a very strong support level to have been hit, and that we actually do get a strong reaction from that as well. That's quite important as well. Or I would say wait for a definitive breakout, because the levels we're at right now, like if you go long, the risk reward is not really worth it, I would say, especially if you don't know whether we're going to break out. And if you go short, like going short in markets like these is not a good idea either. So those are my thoughts, all right? That's in general how I'm looking at Pepe, at least. If you do have any questions, anything, let me know, of course, and I'll keep you updated on this as well. But for now, that's it. So thank you for watching, take care, and bye.